everyone, welcome back to today's video. So I, Srishti Vishal, legal attorney, Lex Cricket Company, is going to present today's topic, that is difference between judge and magistrate and under Indian judiciary system. So talking about this, so most of the people believe that judge and magistrate is one and the same thing. Therefore use interchangeable or synonym, but no, it's not that. They both are different from each other. They have their different power functions, so there is a difference in both of them. So just talking about the difference, let us now discuss the hierarchy of Indian court system. So Indian court system is further divided into three, that is Supreme Court, High Court and District Sessions Court. So why there was a need for this hierarchy? So to overcome the workload, to decrease the workload, precise the work and manage the work efficiency. So these all were the reasons why there was a need for this hierarchy of Indian court. So talking about Supreme Court and High Court, they are known as higher judiciary system, and District Sessions Court as lower judiciary system. Talking about Supreme Court and High Court, where deciding officers are known as justice, whereas lower court they are known as judge or magistrate. So district court is further divided into two, that is civil court and criminal court. Okay, so civil court, civil judge; criminal court, judicial magistrate. So now what happened, that there are further divided into 4 to 5 points, that are the first one is civil judge 2, for civil judge 1, assistant district judge, advocate district judge, and lastly is the district judge. So after qualifying each hierarchy, after that if someone is civil judge 2, after that he becomes civil judge 1, after that assistant judicial judge, after that advocate district judge, after that district judge. So district judge has his higher power as compared to civil judge 2, as compared to civil judge 1. There is a difference in power. And now talking about the judicial magistrate. So judicial magistrate, which comes with the criminal court, so these are also subdivided into judiciary magistrate 2, judicial magistrate 1, chief judicial magistrate, assistant session judge, advocate session judge, and lastly the session judge. Okay, so the power, after clarifying one another, उसको अलग उसको मिलता है. After clarifying that, he goes to another post. After clarifying that, that person goes to another post, and lastly with higher position, with higher post, is session judge in criminal court. So what happened, that we cannot find any difference between both of them. But yes, there is a difference, because we see lots many cases in district court that one judge manage both civil court also, civil cases also, and criminal cases also. But only that minor difference is there, that the designation of that judge gets changed. If he is proceeding civil court, civil cases, that civil judge 2, civil judge 1, district judge, anything. Or if that person is dealing with criminal cases, so it might be judicial magistrate 2, 1, session court, anything. So what happened, that only the designation changes here. In district court only the designation changes. But if we talk about the power, so civil judge 1 की या फिर 2 की, there is power is different from the district judge. Okay, talking about in criminal court, judiciary magistrate 2 or judicial magistrate 1, there is a difference in power of with session judge. Session judge has higher power, whereas comparing with judiciary magistrate 2 power. Okay, so there is a difference in power, there is a difference in uh, in difference in both civil and uh, criminal. But yeah, what happens that one judge is dealing with both the cases in district court, but legislation changes there. Here, what dealing with the, which I earlier told, that dealing with civil court, district judge, dealing with criminal case, criminal court, session judge. So there is a difference in legislation, there is a difference in their power. But what happens that civil judge to ki power will uh, different from criminal court की assistance session judge. There is a difference in both. ठीक है, so only the concept is that legislation changes and the power in both are different. So this is whole about today's video. I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this useful, go and smash the like buttons and let me know your feedback in the comment box below. Until then, take care, goodbye.